All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of the Samsung images that they offer on one of your smart TVs. This one here is a Q80 QLED television, and this is the menu that it has for like some of the screensavers that it has to offer. So instead of just having a plain black background, you can put it on ambient mode, and there's so many different types of images. Some are motion loops, some are static images, some have sound. But this is something that you can use whenever you're not watching TV and you just want to fill the room with any type of ambient noise or some pretty images on a screen. So this is what it has. All right, so here's a couple of the other ones. Spring, bathtub, table clock, flow, water, sand. Let's see what table clock is. And then it's got downloaded content. I do have a speedy connection, so it downloads it pretty quick. But yeah, it looks like it just puts a clock down in the corner, and it's a real clock that's turning with every second. And it has the actual time on it. All right, we'll download the Bathtub Theme, see what that's all about. So it's got the sound effect of water. And then you can see the water moving a little bit, and that duck is moving just a little bit, a little motion going on there. All right, so we'll download the rotating tiles. All right, let's try the sheltering tree. I didn't know if I like that rotating tiles very much. All right, so this one here, it shows the weather, the time, the date, and almost like a shadow effect of the leaves in the background. And it almost looks like it's a stucco wall with the texture under it. I don't know if you can be able to tell through video, but right here in person, it looks like a stucco wall texture with the shadowing of the leaves. All right, so this is one of the other effects, is it has flow. So we'll download this one. Some of these take a little bit longer than others. All right, so right now it's just got like a static image. Yeah, there's no motion on this one. It's just an image. No music either. Okay, so while I was downloading some of those other ones, it just added some more. So there's water, sand, mood light, moving pattern, world clocks, gravity, light cones, rotating discs, moving rods, window, palettes. So yeah, it looks like it's constantly adding, but let's see what this gravity feature is like. Downloading the content. All right, so it's got a little ball moving here, and it's got almost like a tick-tock sound of a clock. All right, let's try mood light. All right, so right now it's just a static image of a light coming down on what looks like a stucco wall again, but no sound or anything. I don't know if that one's very fun. And let's try water. So this one almost sounds like you're in a swamp, and it's got a lot going on there with the water texture effect. That might be a good one to sleep to if somebody had trouble sleeping and needed some type of ambient noise. So let's try sand. Download the content. It really does sound like it's sand maybe being poured into a vase or something. A little bit of texture movement. All right, so let's see what World Clocks is. We'll download the content here. My internet connection is like a 400 gig download speed, so it downloads pretty quickly. I don't know that I get an actual 400 gig, but that's what I pay for. All right, so it looks like it's giving me like the military time there of 13:55 instead of the actual time. So it's military time there. On the picture, it showed 3 clocks, but I'm only getting 1. All right, so this is spring. Let's see what spring looks like. All right, so it's got petals falling down slowly and some ambient noise. My kids are outside the porch area right there. So if you hear people, that's why. All right, so this one here is called Light Cones. We'll download the content on that. So some of these have had music in the background, some have not. Some have just been a static image, but this one's taken a little while to download, so I'm assuming that it has moving motions and maybe some music. Almost like a kaleidoscope. All right, so we'll hit back, see what one of the next ones offers. Rotating discs. All right, looks like coins almost that are being flipped. All right, so this one here is moving rods. All right, and again, with each one of these images, if you just hit the up arrow, it gives you some information on what this image is, what it's called, the special features, and the concept behind it. A lot of those that I went through, they were under the special edition tab, but there's other kind. All right, so a lot of those ones I went through were under the decor tab, but you can go to my album and there's different options there. You can have like a calendar, different images, or go to info, so that way you can have just like a basic clock that's on the screen, or maybe the weather or news headlines. So let's see what the news headlines offers. All right, so it puts up an image there of that. Let's see what happens if we put up. So it doesn't dive back into the images or the news headline. All right, so this one looks pretty interesting. It's got artwork on there and some pretty cool looking images on there. Bright Future, Queen's Room, The Survivor, Return of the Hunter, Rocky Mountain, some hot air balloons, Himalayan National Park. All right, the Northern Lights. Let's see what the Northern Lights offers. That was the last one that was on that menu. All right, so this was the Northern Lights. It's just a static image. It's not a motion image, but it's a pretty picture to look at if you want to just put that up as like a wallpaper on your screen. All right, guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was a little helpful to you if you was maybe interested in getting a Samsung TV. I'll have a description and a link down below of some TVs that you can possibly get. I'll have a link to this particular model here. But yeah, I think this is a pretty neat little feature to have on your television. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you throw a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so now. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd like to have you back in the next one. Until then, be creative.